Native Instruments Maschine MK2 Groove Production Studio. Create and perform fast with Maschine, a groundbreaking groove production studio combining the power and flexibility of software. Its pattern-based sequencer, high-performance sampler, incredible suite of pro studio instruments and effects. Exemplary drum synths and acclaimed sound library deliver a complete system for fast, professional groove production. Maschine provides intuitive, tactile control for composing, sampling, slicing, performing. Multicolor pads provide ultimate feeling of fig the beat. Dedicated group buttons and a master push encoder deliver hands-on controls. And 8 display knobs automatically map to key instrument parameters for on-the-fly, two-handed tweaking and sound shaping. Select notes with the new toggle buttons and accurately click through values without having to look at the screen or display. Navigating and scrubbing are much easier, and changing note pitch and detail tweaking becomes extra precise thanks to the encoder's superb physical response. Now with 47 white, backlit click buttons and colored transport controls. The NI Maschine MK2 provides a wealth of physical and visual excitement for intuitive beat making. Supreme sounds inside. Maschine MK2 comes with over 6 GB of professional and inspiring sounds. A sonic monster for basses and modes with 1,300 earth-shattering sounds. Maschine MK2 includes complete elements, providing more than 1,000 stunning sounds from Complete 8 and Complete 8 Ultimate. The latest free software update includes new effects, specially selected for beat production. Transient Master has now fully integrated in the Maschine 1.8 software. Ideal for positioning drums and percussion, it lets you mix from front to back. New tube, tape saturator, and tube saturator effects bring the secrets of analog warmth and natural, harmonic compression to Maschine MK2. For even greater sound coloring potential. What's new in Maschine? All new Maschine 2.0 software is bursting with power. Find instruments, effects, kits, sounds, and samples fast with the spectacular tag-based visual browser optimized for complete instruments and effects. Makes music creation pure fun, even while learning the gear. To purchase Native Instruments Maschine MK2, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.